credit scores. This is something that we hear all the time, and we're constantly being told to have a high credit score, and there's many other factors that go along with that, most importantly, how much money that you make. However, I really feel that this whole term of credit scores is a lie. So whenever you hear credit score, that sounds like a good thing. But the reality is, it's actually a score for debt. I would say the actual true wording of this should be debt score. Because whenever you use your credit score, it's primarily to get into more debt. Whether that's for credit cards, loans, school loans, whatever the case might be, this is for more debt. And this is something that I really feel should be changed, or at least the mindset should be changed. So instead of thinking a high credit score is good, just think about it as a high debt score. Do you actually want to be in more debt? And so with that mindset, it kind of changes the way that you think about this. So in my case, I do have a good credit score, having it over 700, but I don't feel like that is important in my daily life because I love being debt-free. I don't want to owe anybody. And if I actually look at my credit score, it is impacted by the fact that I don't have any installment loans. I don't have any loans that I'm paying on regularly, i.e. debt, and that actually negatively affects my credit scores, as weird as that sounds. So what I'm saying is, if you are really fixed on getting a high credit score, just think of it as a debt score, and then you reevaluate what's most important. That's not to say it's not important. It's just saying that that shouldn't be the most important thing. And instead, I would say focus more on getting your debt down to zero and earning more money. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my money or debt-free videos, I do have playlists for that. I'll leave in the description area below or up here. Protect your online privacy and keep data brokers from selling your personal information by using Delete Me, the #1 privacy information remover service since 2010. Sign up today and get 20% off your first order. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.